Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, and in today's video I will show you how to use app cleaner to clean up some of junk file, residual file from apps on your Android phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for your phone master. So go ahead and click on your phone master. So I'm going to click on here now to open my phone master. Have you opened up your phone master? Go ahead and make sure you click on booster right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on optimize. Scroll down right here and select other apps that are not being optimized. Then go ahead and click on optimize. Then scroll down right here and go ahead and click on clean now. Then go ahead and click on junk cleanup. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on auto cleanup. Click on view now. Make sure you enable auto cleanup, turn on app cache, uninstall residual from your devices. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. In this video, I want to break everything down to you on how I buy and ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and an app called Sky Cargo Nigerian Limited to ship direct from China without any stress, using their consolidated package without any stress. Let me show you how. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So having opened up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, it's going to load up right here. Okay, like I said, it has to do with bought and consolidate ship from China to Nigeria with Sky Cargo and Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or any Chinese e-commerce or website, or Alibaba or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's continue. So next thing I'm going to do right here to show you everything I bought, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to go to my profile. Then from my profile right here, I need to go ahead and click on here to see all the goods on transit. So right here, I bought this from one store, this from another store, and this from another store, which means about 3 different tracking numbers sent to the Sky Cargo Logistics Company. So how can we consolidate this parcel into one and send direct from China to Nigeria using Sky Cargo shopping, using Sky Cargo Logistics? For that, I'm going to access from my Pinduoduo right here, and I will go ahead and walk you through step by step on how you can use Sky Cargo app for consolidated package and ship from China direct to Nigeria. For that, go ahead and open up your Sky Cargo Logistic app. So Sky Cargo is a free app that you can easily download from Play Store or App Store, then register with your detail, and then once you register with your detail, you can get your address to purchase from any Chinese e-commerce app or website. Like for me, I have already purchased everything and the product has been received by Sky Cargo Logistics right here. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on console right here. So having clicked on console, It's going to load up right. You'll find out that there is nothing right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on package list right here in Sky Cargo. So when you open up package list, it's going to take you right here. Now remember, I told you it's about 3 package from Pinduoduo, and then this is also the 3 packing right here. So this is the first tracking number, the second tracking number, and the third tracking number, which simply means that all the products has been successfully delivered to the warehouse in China, and Sky Cargo has confirmed that they receive everything right here. Next thing I need to do right here is to consolidate and give Sky Cargo an order, and give Sky Cargo matching order to ship the product from China to Nigeria without any stress. So for that, what I'm going to do here now is to go ahead and click on to delivery. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on next. Then here we go. We need to make sure we choose shipping method right here. So under the shipping method here, you can decide which best suits for your timeline. So as for me, I'm going to ship within 10 to 14 days. That's about 2 weeks, because this product here involves sensitive item, and the sensitive items is going through Hong Kong here, which means that it's going to take about 2 days. It's going to take about 2 weeks. But if it is something that has those sensitive goods, I will just come down below right here and ship through Guangzhou, and Guangzhou is just 7 days right here. But because I have a sensitive item from the 3 package, you can see the indication right here. That is why I'm going to use this particular options here, which is 10 to 14 days. So I'm going to select these options right now. Next thing I'm going to do here is to choose pick up warehouse address. So they have Lagos Airport warehouse, Lagos Airline warehouse, Trade Fair warehouse, and Kano warehouse. Everything depends on your location, and everything also depends on your state. So in my own case, I'm going to choose Lagos Warehouse Airport. I'm going to select on that. Then having select on that, you can see everything is ready right here, and I will be given estimated kg, which is just 1.1 kg of all the 3 tracking number right here. So if you make up your mind, there is no need of you change. But if you made a mistake, simply click on change or click on pick up warehouse to change right here. But as for me, I'm good to go. Lastly, I'll go ahead and click on delivery right here, and the total carton is 3. As you can see, it's 3 right here. So I'll go ahead and click on delivery, just like so. There are currently sensitive goods. Please confirm if you want to ship them together. Please confirm your shipping method by here or see. Once confirmed, it cannot be changed. You can see I have already confirmed I'm shipping by here through Hong Kong, which is 2 weeks maximum. So I'm going to go and I'm shipping by here, just like you see the here indication right here. Then go ahead and hit on confirm right here. So once I hit on confirm, then you can see success. So there is possibility that Sky Cargo send a message that they receive my order for delivery. Then simply click on return right here. When you click on return, you can see everything has been disappeared right here. You can keep on checking your messages notification right here to be keep on tracking of your package from China to Nigeria using Sky Cargo Logistics Company. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about China importation business, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about free online tool. And in today's video, I will show you how to generate free barcode without any stress online. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. Then after you open up your browser, go ahead and make sure you visit this particular website right here, product.groupdocs.app. And it's going to take you to this particular web page right here. What we share web page right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down and then go ahead and navigate to generator right here. Under the generator, scroll down and make sure you navigate to generate barcode. So from here, you have different options right here. UPC-A, UPC-E. You can generate as many as possible, different barcode as the case may be right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different format of the barcode. You can see this another one right here. So So go ahead and select your template. Once you select your template, enter your code right here, which usually be about 12 digits number right here. So once you enter your number right here, go ahead and select the style you want. So if you are satisfied with the format right here, go ahead and check on the font. So if you are satisfied with the medium, you can start change to large size. Then next thing you want to do here, come back to your code data right here. Enter your code data, hit on generate, and in a few seconds you have your barcode being generated right here. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and hit on download. Once you download, then you have your this is going to pop up. Go ahead and hit on save. Then your barcode is going to be successfully saved into your PC. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about free online tool like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok Ad Manager on phone. And in this video, I will show you on how to add new debit or credit card to your TikTok Ad Manager. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Have you opened up your TikTok app? Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and open up any post on your TikTok account. So I'm going to use this particular post right here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on more insights. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on customize. And go ahead and click on mine. Go ahead and click on payments. Go ahead and click on manage. And go ahead and click on credit or debit card. Then go ahead and fill in your card right here. Your card number, expire month and year, CCV 3 digits at the back of the card holder name right here. Once you are done, go ahead and hit on confirm. And a message will be sent to you for an authorization of a first transaction fee, which can equivalent to be about one USD. And the money is just to test run your card if the card is going to eventually work for your ad payment on your TikTok account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this about how to run ads on TikTok using just your phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply change your Windows laptop username without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here. Right click on your start. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on run. And this dialog box here is going to come up. Next thing you want to do here is to make sure you type this particular command right here and hit on OK. And this is going to pop up right here. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to properties. So once you click on property, you have your username. Write your full name right here. Besides, if I'm going to change to something like this. So once you write your full name, go ahead and hit on apply. Then go ahead and click on OK, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to fix wrong time zone or how you can change your time zone on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and come down below right here, click on your start menu right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the search right here. Go ahead and type in control panel. Then go ahead and click on control panel right here. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to clock and region right here. Click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on change the time zone. And this is going to pop up right here. So once you get to this particular point right here, go ahead and click on change time zone right here. And then you have other different time zone right here. So go ahead and click on here and choose your current time zone. And once you select your current time zone, it's going to automatically reset the time and the date as far as your Windows PC is concerned. So as for me in this PC, I'm using West Africa Central. So I'm using West Central Africa time zone right here. So go ahead and click on OK, and then go ahead and come down below right here, and then go ahead and click on apply, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and asked me to buy an iPhone for them on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make a video about it and show you on how to place order for an iPhone on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. You can see the product picture screenshot right here. So let's get started. So we are going to buy iPhone 14 Pro Max white color, just like what you see right here. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and exit from my WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo app right here. After you open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, you have to make sure you search for products on Pinduoduo. To make this tutorial short and straight to the point, I have already searched for product. If you don't know how to search for product on Pinduoduo, what you need to do is to come to the top right here. You can type the name of the product you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for iPhone 14. So click on there and type in iPhone 14, and then go ahead and hit on search. And in a few seconds, you're going to see so many results as far as iPhone is concerned. Then from here, you can select any supplier right here and proceed with them, and proceed to chat with them, and then make proper inquiry about the product before you go ahead and make a purchase. However, I've already done this. The next thing I'm going to do is to exit from the search right here, and then what we want to do is to go ahead and come back to the home page right here. So next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on the profile right here. So I have the product in my cart already. I'm going to go ahead and open up my cart right here. Just like so. So this is the product right here, white color iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's see how we can pay for this particular product and ship from China. So let's see how we can pay for this particular product direct from the manufacturer on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select the products. So having selected the products, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, just like what you see right here, scroll down and see different means of payment. So this particular store here are in support of WeChat Pay, Friend for Me Pay, MasterCard or Visa Card Pay. Look for a friend to pay, Alipay, as the case may be. However, I'm going to make use of my Alipay right here to pay for this particular goods, and I'm paying the sum of 836 yuan to purchase this particular iPhone 14 Pro Max. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So allow the Alipay to connect. Then go ahead and complete the payment with my payment password. Just like so, payment done successful. Just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on done right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pump-up. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do here is to send a backup message to the seller. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on the product link right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to open the charts. Just like so. Then you can see my previous charts with the store right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here, select the proof of payment, send it to the seller. Then having sent the proof of payment to the seller, I'm going to exit from the Pinduoduo right here, and I'll go ahead and open up my Google Translate. If you don't have Google Translate, download and install on your Android phone or iPhone. Just go to your App Store. If you are using iPhone, go to App Store and type in Google Translate. If you are using iPhone, go to your Android Play Store and type in Google Translate. Download and install it on your phone and run the setup, and it's going to take you to the interface right here. Next thing you want to do is to set your primary language while you translate into Chinese character. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to enter your translate text. So I'm going to click on here and I will say, hello, my friend. I just placed order for another iPhone 14 Pro Max. Please send the picture of the two phone to me before you send it out to my address. To my address. Thank you so much. Simple as that. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on here to copy the Chinese character. And I'll go back to my Pinduoduo right here. I'll click on here, paste the text and send it to the store right here. As soon as they are available, they will reply my message right here. It's that simple. Lastly, I will go ahead and click on here to go back, then click on here to go back, and then continue to go back. Then from my profile right here, you can see the one I just paid for is being found right here. So let's open it. Just like so. So we have it right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send the proof of payment to this person that asked me to pay for this particular product on Pinduoduo. I'm going to assist from my Pinduoduo right here and open up my WhatsApp so you can see it right here. I'll go ahead and click on here, gallery, then select the proof of payment and say payment made, just like so. It's that simple. If this is exactly what you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on Pinduoduo, 1688, Taobao, Shein or iDoFish or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Shein Chinese shopping app or iDoFish Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, asked me to buy laptop accessory for them on Shein Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make a video about it, just like what you see on the screen right. So you can see all the screenshots of the product right here. So let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and make sure I exit from my WhatsApp right here. And the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and open up my Shein Chinese shopping app right here. I have opened up my Shein Chinese shopping app and it's going to load up right here. However, you need to make sure you search for the product, but I have already searched for this product right here. But should in case if you don't know how to search for product on Shein, one of the first easy ways to come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for into the search engine right here, and you are going to see similar results. Alternatively, go ahead and click on here and upload the product picture sample. This will allow you to see similar result of whatever you are looking for. However, you can also scroll down right here from the home page right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up right here. After you are able to source for the seller or product, next thing you want to do is to make sure you chat with them. I have already chatted with some of these seller already, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my chat right here. Then I've opened up my chat. This particular seller right here, I'm going to buy this keyboard from them. So I'm going to go ahead and open up our chat. So you can see my chat with this seller right here. These are all my chats with them, just like what you see right here. So you can see my chat with the seller right here. So the next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and see how we can buy and see how we can order for this particular laptop accessory from this seller on Shenyang Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to check out on Shenyang. So here, I need to make sure I select what I want. This is what I want right here. I'm going to go ahead and select it. And then for this, I need just one pieces of it. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to check out. So from the checkout right here, I'm paying the sum of 47 yuan to purchase this particular keyboard right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then allow the Alipay to connect. So here we go. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. I'm going to go ahead and click on here now to proceed with payment. Then enter my payment password. Just like so, payment done successfully. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on here to go back. Then click on here to go back. Then here we go. So from the chart right here, you can see an indication that we just place order from this store right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send a backup message to this particular seller right here. And for that, I'm going to exit from my chat with the seller right here and have to make sure I go ahead and open up my Google Translate. So go ahead and open up your Google Translate. If you don't have Google Translate on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, just go to your Android Google Play Store and type in Google Translate. Download and install it on your Android phone and run the setup. And it's going to take you to an interface like this. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store, search for Google Translate, and then download and install the app, run the setup, and it takes you to the interface right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and choose your primary language, while it's going to translate to Chinese character. So what I need to tell the seller is that I'm going to click on here now and say, please, I just place order now. Please send the package picture before you send out to my address. Thank you so much. It's that simple. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on here to copy this Chinese character. Then I have to go back to Shenyang right here. Then I'll go ahead and click on here, paste the charts and send to the seller right here. And then lastly, I will go ahead and click on this plus sign right here, click on the image icon, then select the proof of payment to the seller right here and hit on send. Just like so. Lastly, I will go ahead and check. You can see a response from the seller right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back. Then go ahead and click on here to go to my profile to see the order I just paid for. So for that, go ahead and click on here. And then you're going to see the order we just paid for right now. You can see So here we go. You can see the keyboard accessory has been successfully purchased from the store on Shenyun Chinese shopping app. Lastly, I will go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to order for this particular laptop accessory on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to exit from Shenyun right here, and I'll go ahead and come back to my WhatsApp and say payment made now. Then I will attach the proof of payment right here, open my gallery, then the proof of payment and the second one, and send to them right here. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to be a supplier on Shenyun or Idlefish app, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Alibaba or AliExpress or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about MS Word documents. And in this video, I will show you how to simply remove password protected from your MS Word file. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular MS Word here has been fully protected with password. So if I click on here back, and then this is the document right there. If I press enter, it always requires password. And how can we remove the password from the file? So what we want to do here is to go ahead and come back to the file right there, enter, and then we still have a password. So go ahead and enter your initial password, hit on OK. Now the file is going to open up. And once you open up the file, how can you completely remove the password from the file? So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on file, then go ahead and navigate to info, then go ahead and click on protect password right here. Go ahead and click on protect document. Then go ahead and make sure you click on create with password. This is going to pop up. Make sure you remove all this password right here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this password. Hit on OK, and you are done. The next thing you want to do here is to save the file back. Go ahead and click on save as right here. Then browse the destination. So I'm going to save this file into my desktop right here. So I'll go ahead and click on desktop. Then I'm going to go ahead and call this password remove. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit on save. I'm still saving it as MS Word. By the time I close this particular window right here, and we have the other files without the password right here. So I'm going to go ahead and then look for the file. Right here we have the remove password right here. So just like what you see right here. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter key on my keyboard. This will allow me to load the file in MS Word. So let's see. And in a few seconds, you can see the file has been successfully opened. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Word document tutorial like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editing tool. And in today's video, I will show you on how to remove or unlock any password protected PDF without using internet with a great PDF editing tool. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular PDF right here on my Windows PC right there. If I press enter key just to open the PDF file, you find out that it's going to ask me to enter the unlock password to have access to the particular PDF right here. And just like what you see right here, so my DOC password required is protected. Please enter a document open password. Please enter. And in some cases, you might not even remember the password, or better still, you don't have access to the password and you still want to open the PDF. How can you unlock and remove the password and feel what you have in the document without internet, or because of a great particular PDF editing tool? Let me show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and close this tab right here, and we are going to go ahead and make sure we open this particular software right here. So having opened this particular software, next thing we want to do, I'm going to put the download link to this particular software in the description of this video. If you are using Windows PC, just check the download link and download the software. If you are using Android phone, you can also get this particular software from Play Store. So after a successful download the PDF editing software too, is to open up like this after you run the setup and install it on your PC. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on secure. So under the secure, go ahead and navigate to unprotect. And this is going to pump up right here. So what you want to do here is to locate the particular PDF that was passworded. And then I'm going to go ahead and select so you can see the DOC right here. Then go ahead and hit open. And in a few seconds, allow it to load up, boom, just like so. And you have the password removed and the PDF successfully open, just like what you see right here. And once you open the PDF, you can also save the PDF without using password any longer. And for that, go ahead and click on file right here. Then go ahead and make sure you click on save as. Then you can now save it as new PDF file. And then you can see it's a PDF file. You can save it to your desktop or any folder. Then go ahead and click on save. Document saved successfully. Then go ahead and click on here to close this tab and click on OK. It's that simple. So you have the full access to the PDF and you have successfully removed the password. And for you to get this particular software download, install on your Windows PC, consider to check the description of this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyun Chinese shopping app or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. Recently, I bought this particular laptop on Xianyun Chinese shopping app, and it is incredibly cheap. Let me show you everything about the laptop. Just like what you see on the screen right here, you can see the laptop still very much neat. HP laptop, and the working condition is so much perfect. This is the laptop detail right here. You can see. So if I swipe this way, so you can see, and you can see everything about the laptop picture. You can see the back of the laptop right here, just like so. Then it's about 4 different pictures, just like so. So guess how much I bought this particular laptop. It will be amazing the kind of amount they sold this particular laptop on Xianyun Chinese shopping app. Before I unveil the price, so let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, but before I unveil the price of this particular laptop on Xianyun, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's compare the price of this particular laptop right here. So I'm going to exit from here now. So just like what you see right here, the price goes for 220 yuan. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the product link. Then you find out that I've already purchased this particular laptop right here. So I'm going to click on so I'm going to go back right here. So just like so. So you can see the laptop has been sold and I'm the one that purchased the laptop. For you to be sure, let me show you my chart with the seller right here. So this is the seller right here, and these are all my charts with the seller, and this is when I give them my shipping address right here. So you can see everything. You can see all our charts right here, just like so. You can see all our charts right here. Initially the laptop was at 240 yuan, but I bargained with the price, and the seller told me that I'm going to pay for the shipping fee, and I pay about 20 yuan for the shipping fee. So you can see all our chart right here. Now, if I click on the product link right here, so let's see. Now you can see this is when the product was shipped to me right here. So let's go back to the page right here. So you can see everything right here. So ordinarily, this particular laptop here was purchased for 220 yuan, just like what you see right here. So let's open up the link and then you see the product detail. So you can see it is a 4 gig, and you can see the detail about the laptop right here. You can see the product picture, just like so. So let's go ahead and check these are the product picture right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import product from China using Xianyun Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. In some cases, if you forgot a password to your zip file, or you have a zip file that was a protected password and you do not have access to the password, here is an online free tool that you can use to remove password from any zip file folder without any stress. Like for instance, this particular zip folder right here was protected with password. If I click on enter and it's pump up, if I try to open the folder and then I try to have access to the content of the folder, you can see it asks me to enter password. And then in some cases, you may forget a password, or a file has been sent to you and the file wasn't protected with password. You do not have access to the password. How can you unlock this file with free online tool and have access to the content of the folder without any stress? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and go to close this tab right here, close this tab right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and bring out our browser. Then make sure you go to this particular website right here, product.group.docs.app. It's going to take you to this particular web page right here. So what you need to do here is to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, you see different tools from the home page right here. Now what we need here is to see how we can unlock our zip file. So for that, go ahead and click on unlock. Then it's take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and then make sure you go ahead and look for Anki apps, which is unlock C. So go ahead and click on that. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and drag your zip file right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to simply minimize. Then I will just select the folder and drag it and drop to the site right here. Just like so. Once you drop the file, a folder here is going to pump up. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then make sure you save the folder. So you can save it in your download folder right here. Go ahead and hit on save, and the file has been successfully saved. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to my download folder. So I will have to make sure I click on download folder right here. Then we have it right here. So we can open the folder now, just like so. And then if I click on this and then click on folder right now, and then you have access to, so you have access to the contents of the file, so you can easily extract or double click to continue using the information in the zip folder. It's that simple. Just like so, you have access to the file right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Yahoo Mail security. And in today's video, I will show you on how to secure your login detail by setting up passkey on your Yahoo Mail app, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Yahoo Mail app. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on settings. Click on manage accounts. Click on the account info. Click on security. And you are here. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and make sure you click on create passkey. Then enter your security pattern, your biometric. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about MS Word. And in today's video, I will show you how to translate from one language to another language using MS Word inbuilt translator without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this document you can see on my PC screen right here is written in Hindi. You can decide to change some of the Hindi language to another language as the case may be. Like for instance, if I want to translate the heading of this particular text right here, just highlight. And the next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to the top right here, click on view, then go ahead and click on translate, then go ahead and click on translate selection. So the selection we select right here is going to be automatically translated. Then you have the translation dialog box right here. Now here you can translate from Hindi, which is the primary language of that document, to any type of the language of your choice. So like for instance, I'm going to click on here. I'm going to translate this to English right here. So you can see it has been completely translated to English. Once I'm done, I'll click on insert and the word is going to be replaced with English language, just like what you see right here without any stress. So we can use this method to translate any part of the document to different kind of language of our choice. Like for instance, if I want to translate this sentence right here, I light on the sentence that you want to translate. Automatically, you have the result right here. So we can decide to change from English. Click on here. So I can decide to change this to another language of my choice right here. Instantly, go ahead and hit on insert, and it's going to be inserted into the Word document. You can go on and use this method to translate your document in different language of your choice. You can as well translate the whole page as the case may be. Like for instance, I can decide to translate all this sentence right here. In a few seconds, we have the result right here. I can decide to switch from this language to English language right here. Then we have it right here. I can decide to make sure I insert it and it will automatically replace everything, just like what you see right here. So this is one of the great inbuilt translation that you can use right now in MS Word. It's that simple. Once you are done with whatever you want to translate, then you can go ahead and save your document. You can come back to translate right there. You can translate the whole document as the case may be, or for free without any stress. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your MS Word, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to deeply clean up your WhatsApp using WhatsApp inbuilt cleaner on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for Phone Master on your Android phone. So go ahead and click on Phone Master. Having click on Phone Master, go ahead and make sure you click on Booster right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you go ahead and click on Optimize. Then go ahead and click on Optimize. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for WhatsApp Cleaner right here. Go ahead and click on Clean Now. Just like so. You have backup conversation history, you have images, you have audio, you have video, and you have download file. So what you need to do right here is to select as much as possible the number of file that you want to delete. So just like what you see right here, this WhatsApp here is consumed about 786 megabyte storage. So what we want to do here, I'm going to select videos, and I'm going to select audios. I'm going to select images. Be sure that some of the information you select right here are truly the one you want to delete completely, because once you delete, you cannot recover back some of these informations you delete from the point right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Clean. Selected files cannot be recovered after deletion. Confirm deletion. Go ahead and click on Delete. just like so. You can see we are able to save about 670 megabytes through WhatsApp Cleaner. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.